Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to another video in our Nifty weekly analysis series. So this is the last week, the May last week analysis video. So again, as usual, we'll go each day wise and then the daily chart, the weekly chart, and the monthly chart. So coming to May 26th, it opened with a big green candle and was bullish initially, and then bearish, and then was range bound throughout the day. Was trading about 200 EMA. So that was the moment in Nifty. On 27th, if we see, it was a big red candle, and initial bearish momentum is there, and then a big bullish momentum is there, and then a big bearish momentum is there, and a slightly bullish momentum is there. CPR is very narrow, suggesting that momentum will be there in the market. This is a very volatile market, so without any direction, moving up and down. May 28th, it opened with this small red candle and was bearish initially, and then then again it became bullish and bearish. So it's range bound market only. If you see, this is totally range bound after this initial moment. CPR was medium on this day, and 29th, it started with a big red candle and was bearish initially and was range bound then, and then went up. It was an expiry day. So recently expiries after 2:30, 3:30, there is a big momentum, which suggests gamma blast after 2:30, after 3. Nowadays it's happening. Before it used to happen at 1:30, after 1:30, 2:30. CPR is medium on this day. May 30th, Nifty was bearish initially and then range bound throughout the day. CPR was again normal on this day. Coming to the daily chart, no, this is the weekly chart. So this is the daily chart. So it's basically a range bound market, and it became bearish by the mid of the week. But again, it's range bound only. So it's range bound to bearish, you know, and it's still about 200 EMA, 45 WMA, and super trend, which indicates bullish momentum and bullish dominance only in the market. It's trading between pivot and R3, and it's facing resistance of R3. Okay. Coming to the weekly analysis, it's a red candle indicating a bearish week basically, and but with less strength, so not strong bearish, but slightly bearish week with a wick on the top, okay, which indicates that some seller dominance is there for this week. But yeah, overall it's bullish only. If you see, it's about 200 EMA and super trend and 45 WMA. But yeah, this week is again bearish, and it's taking resistance of R3, and it's between pivot and R3 on a weekly time frame. Monthly, it is a green candle, and it's yeah, not a very strong green candle, but a green candle, and it's about 200 EMA and 45 WMA and super trend. It's taking support of pivot, and it's trading between R3 and pivot, and it's taking resistance of R3. So So that's the analysis for the last week, guys, of Nifty. Thanks everyone for joining the call. Have a nice day. Bye.